Hi everybody, Mr. Rubo here. Today we are continuing with topic 3.7, sinusoidal function context and data modeling. So we're just going to do this one example, example 5, and this is modeling data from analytical information, in other words, from an equation. All right. So here it tells us the average monthly temperature in degrees Fahrenheit for a town in central Indiana can be modeled by the sinusoidal function. T of m equals 25.7 sine of pi 6 times the quantity m minus 4, all of that plus 61.2 for 1 less than or equal to m is less than or equal to 12 months, based on the model, which of the following is true. Okay, so again, you look at this, what's told here, and we have our A, B, C, and D value, right? So A, B, C, and D, and they all tell us something different, right? I would look at your answer choices first before you start trying to figure out what to look for, because the answer choices are going to tell us what we're looking for. So maximum average monthly temperature. So we're looking for the maximum temperature, which they say is 61.2, which you recognize, oh, that's the D value. Well, the D, though, is the vertical translation or the midline shift. So your middle is 61.2. Your maximum will actually be D plus A, right? So that's going to end up being, what is, so what, 86.9 is your maximum, because that's how you find a maximum, is doing the midline plus the amplitude. Okay, for B, it's asking a slightly different, or not asking, it's saying a slightly different thing, so we can't just be like, oh, it's not the same. The maximum average monthly temperature occurs at m equals 1 month. Well, when you think about this graph, it's a sine, which means it starts at the midline, but then it has a shift to the right by 4. Okay, so what ends up happening is you'd start in the middle at 4, and then go up and down from there. So again, you could plug in a number if you wanted to and kind of like simplify a little bit, but it ends up that m equals 1 will actually be, I believe it's a minimum at that one, because it's going to be going down. If you're thinking about, okay, I'm at 4, it's going up on the right. On the left side, it's going down. It'll go down until quarter of the way. Yeah. So B is out. So A is out, B is out. All right, for C, the minimum average temperature is 35.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, we're now talking the average temperature, so that would be D minus A instead of D plus A. So in this case, 61.2 minus 25.7, which ends up being 35.5. So that does tell us that C is our correct answer. And then for D, the reason it's wrong, kind of the same idea as what we were talking about here. If at 4 is the middle and it's going positive, actually I think at 7, a maximum happens. So yeah, it wouldn't be that one either. And there we go. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Just kind of use those A, B, C, and D values. You could do a sketch if you wanted to, but you could also just think through it if you know what A, B, C, and D are. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.